Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2017 Bailey Pegasus Brindisi. It's a one-owner caravan from new. It's in absolutely pristine condition. Ladies and gentlemen have recently part exchanged it into us for a twin-axle caravan, albeit the same layout. It comes with a fitted Powr touch motor mover. As I say, it's in absolutely fabulous condition. It's as good as new, to be fair. There's no bangs, dinks, marks on it, etc. Absolutely pristine. It's a super looking caravan with its large middle centre window. Graphics all nice and smart. Without further ado, I'll show you around it. It's got the alley wheels, service locker to the space under the fixed bed. There's Powr and barbecue on the outside too. Inside, plenty of locker storage, as you can see. Stereo system, big roof light, and that big feature window at the front there. Two opening windows at the sides. Chest of drawers, always useful for drinks, games, etc. The front does make into a double, should you have any guests or family staying with you. I say it's pristine. I haven't found a mark on the caravan, to be fair. I don't think it'll be here long, and it's been, we think, very, very attractively priced. Useful microwave, full cooker, incorporating the electric hot plate. Useful if you run out of gas. Kitchen extension, that's always useful. Got the wooden effect flooring. In fact, my apologies, you haven't on this model. It's got a hard wearing flooring, and you've got the loose laid carpets. Tool fridge freezer, always useful, especially if you go away for long periods of time. Controls, it's the fixed transverse island bed, as you can see, so the bed slides out from the right to the left there. Somewhere to pop TV in the bedroom area. You've got two wardrobes, a mini wardrobe on my left as I walk through. Sliding door to the washroom on the back. And you've got the push button electric flush swivel seat loo. Decent sized wash basin with mixer tap. And dare I say it, a good sized shower too, with bifold easy access door, rise and fall shower. I'm just going to pan around so you can see the sort of wardrobing lockers to the left and right of the bed here. I say it's in fabulous condition. Loads of storage space, especially beneath the fixed bed. I think we've very attractively priced it. It's just arrived. We don't think it'll be here for long. If there's any questions you may have, or if you want to arrange to have a look, talk about part exchange, the number here is 01789 763 432. But I can assure you, if you were travelling a distance, you wouldn't, and I do stress, wouldn't be wasting your time to come to view this caravan. It is absolutely immaculate. I'd go as far as saying as good as new. And there you have it. It's a 2017 Bailey Pegasus Brindisi, stunning caravan with mover, and it comes in at I think it's 1450 kilos, and that's the MTPLN. Thanks very much.